Hi, welcome to Sabbath Lounge. This week's Torah portion comes from Deuteronomy 6. In Deuteronomy 6, we find this scripture which is just so important to our walk. And 6:5 says, "Love Yahweh your Elohim with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength." And it goes on to talk about how every day when we get up, when we walk, when we talk, his word should be on our lips, and he should be close to us every day. And then in Mark, you see Yeshua basically restate this, and they're trying to trick him. And he says in Mark 12:31, "And the second is like, namely this, that thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. There are no other commandments greater than these." And so it makes sense that the Torah is all about how we are to be in relation with our fellow man and with the Father.